Good afternoon to you. Good afternoon. It's Monday, 9th of September 2019. 9th of September, look at that. That's gorgeous, isn't it? The garden sort of, I am struggling with it. It's been a very hot summer, and this garden before I arrived here hadn't been gardened. Hadn't had stuff growing in it, so yeah, and there's a lot of this ground, so yeah, I am struggling to make progress, but progress is being made. I've just raked some soil improver and some sand into a bed there because, well, it's September. And in October I've got to prune some roses for somebody, and when you prune roses, what you should do with the prunings, instead of throwing them away, you should put them into a nursery bed. So the idea there is that's going to be a nursery bed for roses. Yeah, well, there's gooseberry bushes, 1, 2, 3. They were cuttings taken from a gooseberry bush, let's just say somewhere else. Pleased that they've taken as well as they have. It'll be a couple of years before they give me any fruit, but I do like gooseberries. And they're put at this angle across the ground as sort of start to create a hedge. Yeah, gooseberry's a very good hedge because it has horrible thorns on it. And the work goes on with the strawberry bed. Slowly getting there, slowly knocking it into some sort of shape. But of course, I'm an Englishman here in France, and a lot of my French neighbours, they watch the news and they read newspapers, and they're somewhat concerned about the political position that Britain seems to have generated for itself, and they keep asking my opinion. Well, I don't have any opinion at all that I'm willing to share with anybody. You know, politics, yeah, I'm not going to share any thoughts whatsoever about the state of the British government at the moment. I'm just going to carry on and garden and, yeah, and do stuff.